Hi everyone, welcome to Tech5 Finance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Remitly to send money abroad. This video is based on a real case study. So when I come to Remitly and come and press on transfer history, here you will see that in the past few days, I carried out these two transactions. I carried out these transactions just to test out Remitly. I wanted to know how much it costs to send money using Remitly and how long the money transfers take on Remitly. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send money using Remitly based on this real case study. Another thing I want to let you know is that at the moment, Remitly is offering an amazing offer to new members. You wouldn't want to miss it. So like if you click the link in the description below, you are going to be brought to this page, and the moment you see my name over here, Mwakamwe, just know that you have landed on the right page. So here you can see that your first transaction is going to be for free. Pay zero fees on your first transfer. So if you use the link in the description below, your first money transfer on Remitly is going to be for free. On top of that, if you send $100 or more, like you are going to have got $20 off on your first transaction. Meaning that if you are to send $100, you are just going to pay $80, but the recipient receives the full $100. So to get started, all what you need to do is to create your account. And you can do that by coming over here and come and press on send now. But before that, you have to make sure that you come over here and come and choose your country of residence. You need to choose the country where you are based from this list. Once you have chosen your country of residence, you need to come and press on send now. Then here, you need to choose the country where you are sending money to, like the recipient's country. You need to enter it over here. Let's say Turkey. Then from there, you need to enter your email address. Then you also need to enter your password. After that, you need to repeat your password again. Then come and press on join now. Once you have verified your email address, the next thing that you need to do is to log in into your account and complete your profile. After completing your profile, all what you need to do is to verify your Remitly account by submitting your ID document. It can be a passport, driving license, or your ID. You just need to upload your document, then your account is going to be verified. To send money on Remitly, it is pretty straightforward. All what you need to do is to come and press on send money after logging into your account. So you just need to come and press on send money. Here you can see that it is showing Turkey. This is simply because I chose Turkey when registering my account. Now let's say that you want to send money to other countries besides the country which you chose when registering your account. All what you need to do is to scroll down and come over here. You can see where it says send money to. Then you need to come and press on here. Then here you need to choose the country you want to send money to. You can see like there are several countries you can send money to using Remitly. So you can choose any of these countries. You'll be able to send money to that country using Remitly. So for me, I'm going to show you using Turkey, sending money to Turkey. So I'll leave it as it is. If you are sending money using Remitly for the very first time, you are not going to have got this option over here. All what you need to do is to come and press on add recipient. Then in here, you need to enter the amount of money you are sending. Let's say $20. So you can see you'll be sending $20, then the person will receive 360. So all what you need to do is to scroll down. Then here, you are going to find two delivery options, the express one and the economy one. So if you send with the express one, it's going to be more expensive. It's around $5, like you're going to be charged around $5, and whereby if you are using the economy one, it's going to be like $1.5 less than the express one. It is around 3.5. So depending on how fast you want the recipient to get money, you can choose between the two. If you are to send with the express one, the money is going to be delivered just like within 1 day or 1 to 2 days, like in less than 2 days, the money would be delivered if you are to send it using express. But it is usually within 1 day, the money would be delivered. And if you are to use economy, like the money would be delivered anywhere between 2 to 5 days. Like based on the transactions which I made using the economy, it only took 3 days for the money to be delivered. So And also, if you are to use the express one, you are going to be paying with a debit or credit card, whereby if you want to pay with your bank account, you need to go with the economy one, where you pay with your bank account, and it's going to cost you much less. So I will go with the economy one. I'll just press on this one. Then you need to scroll down and choose the delivery method. You can see over here that Remitly offers a lot of delivery options. The first one, it is bank deposit. So when you choose bank deposit, you will see that down over here, a lot of banks are going to be displayed. All what you need to do is to pick the bank where like your account is based, like the account of the person you want to send money to is based. So you just need to choose the bank where you want to send money to. Or if it is not displayed, you can come and press on it, choose another bank where you have to do it manually. Then if you choose cash pickup, the same thing is going to happen. You are going to have pickup locations displayed over here. So what you need to do is to choose the pickup location where you think the recipient will be able to get money from. Then apart from that, you can also send money directly to a debit card. You can see that if we choose debit card, like on the next page, all what you need to do is to enter the debit card information of the person you want to send money to. In my case, I'm going to be depositing money directly to a bank account, so I'll just come and press on it, bank deposit. Then from there, I'll choose the bank I want to send money to, which is that bank. Then after that, all what you need to do is to come and press on continue. Then here, what you are going to do is to enter the recipient's bank information. So the first thing that you need to enter is the bank account or the IBAN over here. After that, you need to enter the first name and last name. Then you can also enter the cell phone number of the person you are sending money to, so that they can be notified when money arrives in their bank account. So after entering the bank account information, all what you need to do is to scroll down and come and press on continue. Finally, you are going to be brought to the last page where you need to check like the transfer summary, like the summary of the details of the money transfer I'm making. So you can see over here that we are sending around $20 and the cost is 3.49, like 3.5 USD, like that is the cost. So if you use the link in the description below, over here you can see where it says rewards discount. So you are going to be given like a $20 discount on your money transfer. So yeah, we are going to have got $20 being deducted from the total amount of money you are sending. And when you scroll down over here, you can see where it says our delivery promise. So here you are going to have got an estimate of when you can expect the recipient to receive the money. But usually, like, money is likely to reach maybe a day or 2 days before like the date displayed on here. And when you scroll down, you can see like the amount and delivery. If you need to change anything, you can just come and press on edit. Another thing which you need to look at is like the payment details. You can see that I'm paying with a bank account, which in most cases it might take a lot of time. Like if you want to pay as quick as possible, you just need to come and press on edit. Then you can opt to pay with your MasterCard or Visa card. That way the transaction is going to be processed much quickly. After verifying that all your details are accurate, all what you need to do is to come and press on send money. So you can see that this transaction has been processed successfully. You can come and press on view receipt if you want to see the receipt of this money transfer, or you just need to come and press on transfer history. Then from here you'll be able to track this transaction. Once the money has been delivered, it is going to be marked delivered. You can see over here it says in progress. It is going to be marked delivered once the money has been deposited into your recipient's bank account, just like the way it shows over here, delivered. And when you press on this transaction, you'll be able to track the progress of this transfer over here. You are also going to be updated like the status of the transaction via email. So you just need to wait like for the estimated date of delivery, like for your recipient to receive the money. So this is how you send money via Remitly. But one thing which I forgot to tell you is that you can also send money on Remitly using your cell phone. all what you need to do is to download and install the Remitly mobile application. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope that you'll be able to take advantage of the $20 discount that Remitly is offering. To help me keep making videos just like this one, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more videos from me in the future, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye, see you in the next video.